Hi, my name is Mr Agrosaw. Welcome to Osaw Agro Industries Pvt Limited. We are one of the leading manufacturers of world-class post-harvest solutions. These solutions include machines for cleaning, grading, sorting, handling and storage for seeds, grains, spices, pulses, oilseeds, fruits and vegetables. Agrosaw has a specialization in designing, manufacturing, supplying, installing and commissioning of the complete range of machines and plants on a turnkey basis. Along with the wide range of standard products, we also provide customized solutions to meet your specific needs. With our decades of expertise and a customer base of over 20,000 satisfied clients, you can rely on us to get the best solution needed. Today, I'm here to discuss about one of our all-time best-selling machine, Destoner negative type. Agrosaw Destoner can efficiently remove heavy containments like stones, metallic pieces, glass pieces, mud balls, etc. This machine works on the principle of weight difference. It is a robust machine of all-steel construction covered with steel from all sides and has welded structure construction. Destoner has two deck systems, one upper deck and one lower deck. In Destoner, from a VB elevator, the material is fed into the Z-box or directly into Destoner, where it falls on the surface of porous oscillating deck, which is fluidized by suction fan at top. With the combined effect of pressure fan and deck oscillation, heavy impurities migrate to the upper level of deck, whereas lightweight grains move to the lower level of deck. These clean grains are then taken for further processing via elevators. The dust produced during the process is collected using cyclone dust collector, ensuring clean work environment. Destoners are suitable for efficient cleaning of seeds of all crops such as wheat, paddy, barley, maize, millets, sunflower, soybean, oilseeds, flower seeds, forestry seeds and various spices. Features of negative type Destoner are: Agrosaw Destoners are robust machines with all steel welded construction so that vibration should not transfer to ground or structure. Specially designed rectangular vibrating deck of Agrosaw Destoner has cubicle balls which give them the advantage of achieving higher capacity with comparatively less surface area. These machines offer silent and smooth operations. Airflow in all the models can be adjusted to get desired result. Tilt angle and vibration of machine is adjustable to achieve quality separation for all type of crops. The machine gives total recovery of grains or seeds without wastage during destoning operation. Agrosaw Destoners are available in the following models. D6NE. It has a capacity of cleaning 3 to 6 tons of wheat per hour. D8NE can clean up to 7 to 8 tons per hour. D12NE has a capacity of cleaning 9 tons per hour. D15NE can clean up to 13 to 15 tons per hour. Optional sub-assemblies and parts: surge bin or bin hopper, VB elevator for feeding, cyclone dust collector, rotary airlock, air trunk, electric panel. Agrosaw negative type destoners can be mounted in 3 ways. Option 1. Blower is mounted on top. Benefits of this arrangement are: requires less space, minimum air or power loss, minimum ducting requirement, no requirement of bins, simpler construction and installation. Option 2. Blower is mounted at bottom. Benefits of this arrangement are: vibration-free arrangement, product recovery, dust-free discharge into atmosphere through rotary valve, controlled noise in working area. Option 3. Blower is mounted over cyclone dust collector. Benefits of this arrangement are: ensures discharge of clean air into the atmosphere, controlled noise and clean working area. For smart monitoring and tracking, destoners can be IoT enabled. I hope this tour was useful to you. For more information or booking, you can reach out to us at marketing@agrosaw.com or call 94160-27005 or 94160-27043. Visit our website www.agrosaw.com.